I'm Gerald Pekler from the NXP Semiconductors drone team, and we are showcasing here drone registration using NFC reader, using our D2X communication units with the goal to have at the end a secure communication validated by a signed message, being able to uniquely identify a drone. The main components of these demonstrations are a certification entity, a ground control station. We have a D2X ground control unit with an NFC reader, and finally the drone itself, having our flight management unit running the PX4 open source flight stack, an NFC reader, and our D2X communication units communicating to the ground unit via the 802.11p wireless software standard. To start the drone registration, we're putting this NFC card on the NFC reader of the drone. The flight management units write a certificate signing request via the D2X companion computer to the NFC card we have here. And when this is done, indicated by the purple light, we're picking up the card again, going to our ground unit, putting the card on the NFC reader there, and what we see here at the registration dashboard, we have a new issued certificate marked in green. This certificate is checked against the registered drones. If the unique ID is in the registered drones, it signs the certificate signing request with the root CA, with the certificate, gives the information back to the ground unit. The signed certificate is stored on the NFC card, and now we are able to go back to our drone, putting the card on the NFC reader of the drone again. The signed certificate is read back into the flight management unit, and then later on used for signing the messages, and via this the drone can be identified in an UTM traffic management system or in the air by other drones to check if the vehicle is really a valid one, a registered one. Now the LED is green, the message is sent out as a signed message. We see this here on the ground. We have a signed heartbeat message that is indicating everything is running well.